device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this program and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. Device. During potentially dangerous weather situations or other emergencies, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this program and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. The variability becomes more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for warnings, selected watches, and other environmental emergencies affecting the following North Carolina counties: Alamance, Alexander, Allegheny, Anson, Bertie, Cabarrus, Caswell, Chatham, Davidson, Davie, Durham, Edgecombe, Forsyth, Franklin, Granville, Greene, Guilford, Halifax, Harnett, Hoke, Iredell, Johnston, Lee, Martin, Montgomery, Moore, Nash, Northampton, Orange, Person, Pitt, Randolph, Richmond, Rockingham, Rowan, Scotland, Stanley, Stokes, Surrey, Union, Vance, Wake, Warren, Wayne, Wilkes, Wilson, and Yadkin. The warning alarm will also be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Chesterfield and Marlborough, and the following counties in Virginia: Brunswick, Carroll, Floyd, Grayson, Henry, Mecklenburg, Patrick, and Pittsylvania. This includes the independent cities of Galax, Martinsville, and Danville. Repeating, that another service has just warning alarm tone in the test of the weather radio's warning alarm system.
Alright, so that's WWLV from Lexington, North Carolina. It's right around the Winston-Salem area. I'll try to get their call letters on screen. Yep, WWLV. Relaying a weekly test straight out of WXL42. WXL42 as in the Norwater radio station for the Triad area of North Central North Carolina and neighboring Southern Virginia. And this is actually my first ever on-air capture of a NOAA radio station that I've already heard for a weekly test on AM or FM. And just about a day ago, I got a comment from Super Mario EAS 757, which shout out to him, on my video of this same station activating for a weekly test that was sent through IPOS. IPOS, that's in the Integrated Public Alert Warning System. Imagine if they also relayed RAH, as in Raleigh, as in NOAA radio, weekly tests, and or the weekly tests from WYMY and WTQR, both those being FM stations, also in the Triad. Well, for the Raleigh's weekly tests, safe to say it looks like we got this actually checked out, because, well, it's actually confirmed by me that this is actually a thing that WWLV does. Like, it's not even just the random weekly tests that you hear unexpectedly, like those, those random ones, those unexpected ones, those ones that can be sent at any time. That's the average for any radio or TV station. But for WWLV, they also do weekly tests sent through IPOS every Monday at 11 a.m. And this, Wednesdays at 11 in the morning, for NOAA radio tests to be relayed on the same station. And get this, WXL42 itself is not a new thing for me. I have a whole list of WXL42 videos that goes by years. But for WWLV, that's a new thing to me, because usually I expect for radio or TV stations to primarily use no-weather radio for certain civil weather alerts, but definitely not test alerts related to no-weather radio stations to be put on FM stations. So, I'm just about as bedazzled as you are watching this. Just find this out that this is actually something that WWLV does. Oh, and may I add, not just on its primary 94.1 frequency or HD1, but also even on its HD2, HD3, and HD4 subchannels, as proved by my Sangean HDR-15 HD radio.
This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver. Works. 321, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 MHz. The warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Abbeville, Anderson, Cherokee, Greenville, Greenwood, Lawrence, Newberry, Oconee, Aiken, Spartanburg, and Union. And in North Carolina, Holt and Rutherford. This concludes the No Weather Radio All Hazards Tone Alert Test.
Alright, so that's WKVG, which is also K-Love right here. Just did their weekly test for WXJ21, in which GSP just went off for. Nothing from WRCM, which is my local K-Love affiliate, but I mean, as long as I know that this K-Love here and this K-Love here both relay weekly tests with no weather radio, that is all I have to know, because I am already surprised enough.